Let's right now turn it over to a storm tracker meteorologist, Fallon Mears, who can tell us a little bit more. Fallon?
Yeah, well, this was a more serious earthquake. So last weekend we saw snow, and this weekend we're seeing sunshine and apparently some earthquakes. So this is the second earthquake we've had this week in the Latson Centerville area. Now, it was updated just a couple of minutes ago. That was at 10:57, but it was first reported at 10:37 p.m. with a magnitude of 3.2. Now that the southeastern region of USGS has reviewed it, the magnitude was set at 2.93 and the depth was 5.2 kilometers. So this is the second earthquake, and actually see the two red dots. Those were the most recent over the past week. So if you felt it, let us know. I have seen a couple of videos and people have been telling me where they've been feeling it, mostly in the Ladson, North Charleston area, as well as some areas in West Ashley.